The little bird was in trouble, its life hanging by a thread. A girl appeared like a guardian angel. But fate was cruel. It was hurt once again. This time, its tiny wings could no longer take flight. Those eyes seemed to beg for one last chance at help. The girl refused to give up and was determined to save it. The veterinarian concluded one wing had been broken. A hopeful surgery began from that moment. Days of patient recovery followed. Every drop of water carried kindness and hope. The little bird looked toward the distant sky, waiting. Despite the pain, the instinct for freedom kept pushing it forward. The girl carefully prepared nutritious meals every day. Gradually, the bird became a member of the family. The innocence of children helped ease its pain. Now, the little bird had learned to trust completely. At last, it was time for the bird to return to Mother Nature. Its wings spread freely after so many days of waiting. It seemed like a farewell, yet it always stayed nearby. It often did strange little things to catch attention. A skilled hunter had officially returned. It brought back a gift to repay the life that was saved. Not just once, but faithfully every day. The bond between human and bird was truly sacred. The little bird eventually found a life partner. It learned how to love just as it had been loved. A new chapter in the bird's life began. New life slowly started to form. Joy overflowed when the baby birds were born. Even while busy raising its young, it never forgot the kindness. Its adoptive mother still received gifts every morning. Gratitude is the invisible thread that connects all living beings. Be kind to nature, and it will reward you in return.